see if I can. Firstly, if you are able to hear some drum noises, I'm sorry about it, but this is the last day of Ganpati Visarjan. So this is the 11th day and Visarjan was going on downstairs. So I guess you will be able to hear some drum noises, so please tolerate that. And yes, it has been a very good celebration this year, and I hope Ganpati Bappa blesses us all with his power and strength and lot of happiness, lot of joy, and just keep smiling, all of you. So coming back to today's video is actually a Brand Factory haul, and it's a try-on haul. Actually, I went to Brand Factory some days back and it just struck me that I should do a Brand Factory haul for you all. So whatever I'm going to show you, actually I have not got in one go. I actually went a couple of times to Brand Factory, and then when I visited last time, this idea came to me. So I'm going to show you everything which I have got from Brand Factory. Some of the things you might have already seen because I have actually uploaded quite many pictures in wearing those dresses and tops and stuff. So it's okay, it's fine. I'll just be telling you whatever offers I got there. And generally Brand Factory has a 30 to 70% discount always on, but sometimes it's buy one get one, buy two get one, or some other offer is always on there. So I'll be telling you what offer I got these things in. So yeah, let's just get started. So very first thing which I have is this yellow mint color top. So you might have already seen me wearing, those who are following me on Instagram. This is basically from the brand Zinc London in size medium, because I wanted it a quite a loose kind of one. And what I love about it, apart from the color, because you all know I am actually fond of yellow lately, but is this designing, is this lace material which is there. Especially it is apt for summers, because I actually had bought it in May, I guess May, June, and it was really hot when I actually wore it for the very first time, and I was so comfortable. The material is really nice, it's really soft. It does not come up with any inner or inner lining which is there, as you can see. So you can actually add your flavor, pair it up with any kind of inner, any kind of bracelet if you want, anything which is there. Now what I like about this is kind of a vintage sleeve is there, okay, a puffy one which is there, and the length is really nice. It is not something which is really long or not a crop top. So it is really nice. It is really a very cool, sweet, cute Zinc London top. Okay, actually this was, the MRP was I guess $14.99. But there was an offer going on Zinc London very first time when I visited it. So I got this one and another top. Yeah, this top, as like in the offer, I got these two tops together, which is buy one get one. Each one was actually $14.99, but I got two tops for $14.99. Now talking about this top. Okay, this top is a really nice formal kind of a shirt, although the length is really not so long, so it is somewhere in the middle of crop top and the actual formal shirts we have. But what I like about this is this, its collar. It has some black leather kind of finish over here, as you can see. And what inspired me to take this top was the fact that I saw Deepika Padukone wearing something like this, I guess in white color, during Tamasha's promotion. So I just wanted to buy something like this. I love its pattern. What is the best thing about this is it's really cool, it's really soft, you won't feel hot in this one, and it's full sleeve, it's really nice. And yeah, so I just love this pattern, and I was really happy to buy something new from a new brand. And Zinc London is doing amazing in Brand Factory. They have amazing collection, so you can go and check out their collection. Coming to the next thing which is there. Okay, yes, next thing is basically this black color top, which is a Georgette material. Now you might know that I love Georgette tops, and this is from Lee Cooper brand, again in size medium. And what I liked about this was that it is a little unique. As you can see, it is having such frill kind of pattern. Okay, so it is unique, it is different in its own way, yet it's having collar, and as you can see, I hope you can see this, it is having the frill sort of thing in the collar also. So the detailing is there on the collar also. So it's a very nice summery kind of top. You can pair it with shorts, with any toned jeans or anything, any skirt also if you have. So I just really fell in love when I saw this. And again, there was an offer going on Lee Cooper also, buy one get one, and I guess it was for $9.99. And so I got this top also. which is again from Lee Cooper. I actually got both the tops in black color because I actually did not know which one to buy, and since the offer was on, I thought of buying both of them. So what I like about this is, although this might seem to you that it is a little bit similar, but I'll show you a little closely. It is having a detailing of some cotton, what do you call, kadai sort of thing, and it's a high neck top. Okay, also it is having this button detailing over here. It is sleeveless, so both tops are sleeveless, both tops are black, but they are unique in their own way, and you can see the tag is still on, and it was also for 999. So I got both these black tops in 999 from Lee Cooper, and I just want to try this because I haven't worn this one. I've worn this one already, but I haven't worn this one. So yeah, coming to the next thing, this is an amazing top from Jealous 21, and this is again a mediocre top, which is not a crop top, not a top, but what I loved about this was, firstly, it is really soft. Secondly, its quality. It is from Jealous 21, so I just fell in love with the brand and I wanted to try something like this. Also, the pattern is really nice, and as you can see, it is actually extra large in size, which is really big for me, but I wanted something like this, like a loose thing. So when I found this, I just wanted to buy it. And guys, let me tell you, it was for 1299, which is the actual price of this top, but I got it just for 299. So there was a flat sale going on these tops, and I'm so happy to get this. This is how it looks from behind. There's a small button sort of thing, and this is very simple, very sweet, but you can wear it like on hot, like summery days, or just a beachy look if you want to flaunt with something like this. So it's really apt, it's really cool for me. And the next thing which I have in the similar category, I got such a big offer, was this. Just a minute. It is again from Jealous 21. Okay. Is this top. Firstly, it's Georgette, so I had to buy it. Secondly, I don't have this color, so I had to buy it. And I was in love with the kind of pattern it is showing, because it is a mint blue and a turquoise blue kind of a thing blended together. And what I loved about this was a little embroidery which is there over here, so I really loved this one. And it comes with an inner also, which is like a mint blue again. So this was a really nice one, and this is actually, you can see, it's for 1499. Okay, this is the MRP, and I still have the tag on. It is again from Jealous 21, and it is in the size medium. And again, I got it just for rupees 399. So I was so happy. I thought, why not buy this, because this is the really cool stuff. Like I can pair it up with any formal pant if needed at times, and just close all the buttons, or just have a funky look by just wearing this and pairing up with this, like a ganji and a shirt look which is there. So I'm really happy to have this, and I really want to try this also soon for some special occasion. And yeah, see, you can see the detailing is also there on the sleeves also. So this is like an amazing thing, an amazing buy, and I'm so happy with this. Now the next two things which are left are two dresses which are there. Okay, the first one is again from brand Lee Cooper. This is basically the one piece which is there. I hope you can see this clearly. So this is basically in the material cotton, firstly. Second, it's size small, and it has an elastic sort of a thing over here which gives you a fitting over here, and it is still knee length. Now what I loved about this one was that it has an inner lining. Firstly, it is really nice. It is full sleeves. It is a little Indian, Indo-Western kind of a thing, and I can really pair it up with some some shoes, some boots, some gladiators, something like that. And again, this was on an offer. It was for buy one get one free, and I remember my friend Nikki buying the same one, so we both together bought this. And this one actually was for 1199, as you can see. Yeah, and I got it for buy one get one, so I got it just for 600 rupees. So I'm really happy with this one, and I'll also wear it soon as I get my boots or something like that. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. And the last but never the least for me is this dress, which is again from Zinc London. and it basically had a 50% off going on for this, and this is actually my birthday dress. Those who have not checked out my pictures on Instagram, this is actually my birthday dress. I actually fell in love with this dress. It is, firstly, the length is really nice, the material is really nice. It is perfect A-line dress. It is in size small, and it is from just a minute, yeah, it is in size small and from the brand Zinc London again, and it has embroidery all over it on both the sides, as you can see. And the sleeves are not 3/4, also somewhere in the middle, so it comes till here. And I just love the material. It's an amazing fit, and I remember this was for 2000 something, and since it was 50% off, I got it just for 1100 plus some VAT was there. So I just thought that this was the best thing, because I did not have anything in red color like the one piece, and it was perfect for the occasion. And it has an inner lining also, so you don't have to worry about like, you know, the lining and the stuff. It has a lining also, and it's really thick already. So I guess Brand Factory is really you know, giving amazing things and amazing offers, amazing discounts. So you guys should go and check that out. And yeah, so since I said that it is a try on haul, now let's go and try each one of them. Let's go. this video, my shopping, my try on haul, everything you like. And I would love to hear from you which one was your favorite thing, like among this, whichever you like, you can comment below. And if you want to know anything more about this, you can comment below. I'll get back to you soon. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel, like red color, which is there. And still the Ganpati Visarjan is on. So yeah, today I just want to tell you that be a helping hand for someone out there. Each day try and help someone. This is like what Ganpati Bappa has taught me at this year. And each time we should, each year when we bring Ganpati Bappa to our place, we should also pledge something. So this year I have tried, and I'll try to do more and more for other people, for needy people. So be an helping hand for someone or the other each day. That's my message for you all. Until then, bye bye, take care. And मैं जा रही हूँ, मेरे को ये सब कपड़े पहन के फोटोज खिंचवानी. Okay, bye.